If you've ever tried to clean up your beard with a trimmer that pulls, misses spots, or just feels awkward in your hand, you already know how much the right beard trimmer can matter. The thing is, not all beard trimmers are built the same. Some give you better precision and control, while others stand out for versatility, convenience, or overall value. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best beard trimmers, each one standing out for a different grooming style and everyday need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these beard trimmers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the U-Free Beard Trimmer. This is the most versatile beard trimmer on our list. What really makes this one stand out is how much it can do for you in one kit. You're getting 7 trimmer heads, 10 hair combs, and a storage base. So you can handle beard work, mustache cleanup, nose and ear trimming, body grooming, and more without needing a bunch of separate tools. One day you might want a quick beard cleanup. Then on another day, you might want to shape your edges or tidy up other areas. So instead of switching between multiple devices, you can just reach for this one and keep moving. The sharp steel blade is made to cut through fine, thick, and normal hair smoothly. And the T-liner blade helps you get cleaner outlines and more defined edges. So if you like a sharper finish, this gives you a lot to work with. On top of that, the motor runs up to 6,500 revolutions per minute, which helps make trimming feel quick, efficient, and smooth. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, plus an LCD display that helps you keep an eye on battery life. And since it has a cordless design, it's also easy to take with you when you travel. And here's what William says: "I was surprised. The U-Free trimmer is solid. It's made to be durable and handsome. It fits easily in one's hand and its size is compact enough to be travel-worthy." So if you want one trimmer that can cover almost every grooming job, this is the one. Number 6 is the Olov 21-piece grooming kit. This is the grooming kit with the most accessories included on our list. The biggest reason this one earns its spot is the sheer amount of stuff you get in the box. You're getting 21 pieces total, including 6 trimmer heads, 15 guide combs, the trimmer handle, a charging dock, and a USB cable. So right away, it gives you more options than most kits in this range. That makes it feel especially useful if you like having every tool ready to go. Even with all the extras, the kit is built in a way that makes sense for regular use. So whether you're doing a quick cleanup before heading out or taking more time to shape your beard the way you want, everything feels close by and easy to swap. And the USB recharge dock is a nice touch as well. It helps keep your setup cleaner and more organized. And it also makes charging feel simpler. And here's what Daniel says: "I was skeptical about the 21-in-1 thing, and it sounded like marketing nonsense, but I was wrong. This thing is the real deal, and honestly, it's a huge relief to finally have one reliable tool instead of 3 separate ones cluttering my cabinet." So if you want the kit with the most extras and the most flexibility, this is a great pick. Number 5 is the U-Free Waterproof Razor. This is the best wet and dry beard trimmer on our list. You can use it in the shower or at the sink, and that instantly gives you a little more freedom in your routine. So if you like grooming whenever it works best for you, this makes the whole process feel easier and more flexible. And beyond that, it's built to do a lot. You get 6 trimmer heads, 5 guide combs, and adjustable sideburn combs. So you can trim your beard, mustache, nose hair, body hair, and more with one kit. Since it's waterproof and washable, cleanup feels much easier, and the detachable blade makes the whole thing even more convenient. So instead of dealing with a messy cleanup, you can rinse things off and move on. It also brings a strong trimming experience. The stainless steel blade has a precise gap design, and the R-shaped 360-degree skin-friendly edge gives you a smooth and safe trim. And then the 2 speed modes give you a little more control, while the low-noise motor helps everything feel more comfortable during use. On top of that, the battery is very solid. You get up to 90 minutes of use, and the LED display helps you keep track of the remaining power. So if you want a trimmer that works great in the shower and at the sink, this is the easy pick. Number 4 is the Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 series. This is the best everyday reliability beard trimmer on our list. It gives you that simple, steady performance that makes grooming feel easy again and again. So if you want something you can keep reaching for without overthinking it, This one fits that role really well. And it's not basic at all. You're getting a 13-in-1 setup, which means you can trim your beard, head, nose, ears, neck, and sideburns with one system. On top of that, it offers 8 length settings from 0.5mm to 16mm. So you've got a very useful range, whether you like short stubble or a fuller beard. And the blades are a big part of why it feels so reliable too. The self-sharpening full metal blades are designed to stay sharp and they don't require oiling, which makes maintenance feel refreshingly simple. And if you care about the finer details, the click-on narrow trimmer blade helps you clean up edges and define your look more precisely. It's also easy to handle. The ergonomic handle gives you a more comfortable grip, so trimming feels controlled and natural in your hand. Then, for day-to-day convenience, you also get up to 60 minutes of runtime, a battery indicator light, and rinsable blades and combs for simple cleanup. So if you want a trimmer that feels easy, proven, and reliable every time, this is the one. And if you want to know the latest prices for the beard trimmers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Trim-X Beard Trimmer. This is the most innovative design beard trimmer on our list. What makes this one feel different right away is the design. And not just the way it looks, but the way it works in your hands. The all-magnetic snap-on heads make switching attachments feel quick, smooth, and almost effortless. So you're not wasting time trying to line things up. It just clicks into place and keeps you moving. And that thoughtful design shows up in the rest of the kit too. The magnetic docking base helps keep everything neat and aligned, which makes your setup feel cleaner and more organized every day. Then the color-coded combs make it easier to spot the right length fast. So you can trim with a little more confidence and a lot less guesswork. Plus, it also brings strong performance to match the smart layout. You're getting a 6,600 RPM high-torquey motor and up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is excellent for a trimmer in this category. So whether you're doing quick touch-ups or a full grooming session, it gives you the kind of endurance that feels genuinely convenient. And with USB-C charging, it fits even more easily into your routine. Then there's the comfort side. The IPX7 waterproof design makes it shower-ready, while the 360-degree open-frame blade head is built to trim from every angle with a gentler feel. On top of that, the I-shaped handle gives you a secure grip, and the V-shaped blade is designed to glide smoothly across more sensitive areas. So if you want the trimmer with the smartest and most modern design, this is the one. Number 2 is the OLOV X all-in-one trimmer. This is the best value beard trimmer on our list. What gives this one such strong value is how much control and convenience you're getting in one simple package. The biggest highlight is the 20 precision length settings, which let you dial in everything from short stubble to a fuller beard without making things complicated. So if you like having more room to customize your look, this gives you that flexibility right away. And because that adjustment system is built into the trimmer, the whole experience feels cleaner and more streamlined. You're not dealing with a pile of extra pieces just to get the length you want. Instead, you can keep things simple and still get a more tailored result. It also makes daily use easy in other ways. The cordless waterproof design gives you the freedom to trim at the sink or in the shower and then rinse it clean when you're done. That adds a lot of convenience, especially when you want your grooming routine to feel fast and low effort. And the cutting performance is strong too. It comes with replaceable stainless steel blades designed to give you a smooth trim without pulling, and that makes it a comfortable pick for regular grooming. Then the ergonomic grip helps it sit more naturally in your hand so you get better control while you trim. On top of that, the battery keeps things practical with up to 60 minutes of runtime and fast charging, which makes it even easier to keep ready. So if you want a trimmer that gives you a lot for the money, this is a great buy. Number 1 is the Manscaped Beard Hedger. This is the best overall beard trimmer on our list. What really puts this one at the top is how polished the whole experience feels. It combines power, precision, convenience, and smart design in a way that feels very complete. And because of that, it stands out as the one that does the best job of balancing everything most people actually want in an everyday beard trimmer. The first big highlight is the intuitive zoom wheel with 20 length settings. It gives you 0.5mm increments up to 10mm. So you can fine-tune your beard without messing with a bunch of separate attachments. That alone makes grooming feel quicker and a lot more streamlined. And then the trimming performance takes it even further. The unique cutting angle and built-in comb are designed to lift flatter hairs for smoother single-stroke trimming. That helps the whole process feel more efficient. On top of that, the 41mm titanium-coated T-blade and 7,200 revolutions per minute motor give it the strength to move through thick facial hair with ease. Plus, it's also built for real day-to-day convenience. The IPX7 waterproof design means you can use it wet or dry, and the 60-minute battery gives you solid cordless use when you need it. Then the included USB-C cable, AC adapter, and hard-shell water-resistant travel case make it feel even more complete. So if you want the trimmer that delivers the best mix of precision, power, and ease, this is the top pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect beard trimmer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each beard trimmer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.